It's a good Sunday, not morning. It's afternoon. Is it 1 o'clock? I don't know what it is actually for time. Anyways, it's not morning no more. Had a good night last night at the Fireman's Fall Ball. And well, that's unfortunate. Jeez. One thing, these tractors were not built for loader. Yeah, take the air cleaner apart or take the loader off to take the air filter out. And then trying to put oil in. Look, it's right there, but yeah, it's not actually right there. It's kind of in the way. Oh well. At least the baler's working. One problem is this shaft is, or this cover for the shaft is a little short. So now this whole thing is all rattled to pieces by the looks of it. And then when you turn and it pushes, looks like it shreds the, oh well. We just can't have nice things. Oh yeah, then we got to check the oil on the baler too. First time ever that that we're out of oil on the baler too. Well, it's on the bottom, so what's this random pail of oil here? Hydraulic oil. We need engine oil. At least I got some in the truck that's at home. But I don't think I got a funnel. I think the funnel is at the farm. Oh! This is my score from the silent auction last night. PV Mart donated Husky tool set. Mint. Let's go bale some straw once we put some oil in the tractor. Yay! And we're baling. Woo! Gotta get used to fancy monitors. Fancy balers. Oh, can't see nothing through the window. Good thing we got a monitor, it'll tell us what's going on. All these short little swaths, they're light. Not making bale very fast. Always turning. But they are nicely packed, pretty tight bales. It is weird, so skinny. It's used to big chongus 5-foot bales. Normally our bales are as wide as these ones are tall. That's funny. But we'll see, it'd be interesting how these haul. I think they'll haul a little better because they're only 4 feet wide. Oh, we gained 2 inches, look at that. Because they're 4 feet wide, so an 8-foot deck fits right on just perfect. So, yeah. We'll see. Start hauling them this week, I guess. About as perfect as you can get to finish a roll off on the last bale. Or to finish the last bale on this roll. Wouldn't even get like half a turn. So that's it for this roll. And where we'll put it. I must say, I don't mind having the roll in the front. It's kind of slick. Should have took all these straps off first, though. Boom, done. Oh, that's loud. Nice little step ladder. Them Jomans, they know how to build a baler. I feel this now. Oh, it's a beautiful Monday morning. Oh, a little rough. I will give the pigs some straw and some hay. shit today and bale up most of the straw that's left to bale. So, time will tell. Wish me luck. I'm gonna need it. What in the world is with the hose? Oh, great. Dad's pumping water from the oil well to fill the dugout up, but yet now we gotta drive through the water to get to the straw. Oh well. Pick up some net wrap that was on sale at the local Massey shop. They got a new Macdon. People still want these style. They're nice style. M155E4. It's got that emission garbage on it. Looks taller actually in the back end than our. I like it shiny. Massey Combine 9690. Those are nice. Nice machinos. All kinds of cool stuff here. This is a pretty awesome dealer actually. Oh, new wrappers. And this combine, yeah, our old yellow one. I will miss that combine. It's for sale. Anyone want it? Been a good combine. They just did inspection and whatnot, and she good to go. Good to go. Field ready. Buy it up today. St. Paul, Alberta. I like these dealers, not the big ass ones. Got all kinds of cool shit in the back. Good dealers. Well, I unloaded the net wrap up. Oh yeah, well, we'll put the leaf blower out of the way. Yeah, I stood it up next to the tidy tank. Sitting in line at Subway. Some old guy comes up. Hey, you're the one in the white Ford, yeah? Did you have a leaf blower in your truck? I did. Yeah, it fell off on the road. It's kind of, yeah, it kind of got scratched a bit, but it's like, wow, today is my lucky day. No buying lottery tickets today. I used up all my, huh. Well, that is not ideal. A little discolored there and got rollers moving. Shit. Well, I get to see how changing the bearing on this baler is. What do we have here? That doesn't look like a Vermeer baler and a New Holland tractor. That's a nice demo. Kubota. Prime Japanese quality. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Hot rod. It's even a Rancher Special. Oh, sweet. There's Kubota. There's an M7152. Pretty sweet. There's the monitor. Pretty simple. It's a simple cab, like no electronics. Baler. Pretty skookum, I must say. And look into this baler. Oh, there's the net holder. This is how you Good Boys at Extreme brought a demo. This, holy, that's what you call a drive chain. My goodness. Oh, must be like 100 chain. Got a nice set of grease banks. Oh, 8 twine holders. It's a pretty nice baler. Pretty simple, heavy, like holy mackerel, those chains. Yeah, I like it. Thanks to the boys at Extreme for letting us demo it. I like their Kubota wrap. Cool. Must be a spare holder there, I'm guessing. Very cool. And there it goes. Demo done. That damn skookum baler and tractor. Fancy lights! Beep, 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 beep. And then this fancy net wrap. Ooh, purple. Oh, yes. What's it? Monday? Tuesday afternoon now. It's raining since last night. Not actually too wet yet. And bush hog ripper that we got out of Sleepy Eye, Minnesota, I see is just showing up. Ooh, nice Peter truck. Better warm the Bobcat up, I suppose. Yeah, there we go. Direct from Minnesota. Got full load on. Ooh. Looks not as faded as our bush hog up here. Should work pretty good, I think. Off he goes to deliver this brand new natural gas UPS truck to someone. I'm guessing Edmonton, maybe. I have UPS in Edmonton, I'm sure. Oh well, that's where it goes. That was a good deal. I like good deals. MD is giving her today. I got 2 mowers, one right behind the others. Look at that. Getting shit done. I like it. What a beautiful morning. Go 7-3. Yes. Oh. Now this thing, finally, surprising enough, our Vermeer dealer actually had bearings for this. So, but he didn't have all the seals, which is fair enough. So, got seals ordered and they're gonna be here today. So, take this roller off, put 2 new bearings in, and away we go. Also, finish putting the motor on the auger, make some chop. Plenty lots to do. And then might get some video going to a drone demo this afternoon. One of those drones seeding, like broadcasting or spraying. So we'll see. I kind of want to. I missed a drill demo, pillar drill demo yesterday. But so yeah, we'll see. Maybe we'll get to see a drone. Might be like one of the last times this trailer gets filled this year. Do a little burn off. Spray some glyphosate on. Then maybe put a little bit of some biological trials on. Or just like a split field, dump some leftover stuff. Nothing's froze yet, still growing, so it should die when you spray it. I think. I'll change the plans. No going to a drone demo. Okay, seed cleaner. A quick clean from brother-in-law. And clean some pinola. But first of all, power! There we go. We got another 100 horse now. 50 horsepower per meter. Woo! Let's go! Oh, started as a simple bearing replace has turned into not so simple one. Because yeah, the bearing went on this one. Ended up also either this side or this side. The second roller, the roller was, the weld broke on the hub. So yeah, started off as one, and now it's two roller fixing with 4 bearings, just because, yeah. So yeah, and new rollers from Vermeer are next week. Gotta come out Pelly, Iowa, and you can get parts through Massey, because the new balers, these new ones are Massey's. Problem is Massey's a week out too. They're all in stateside, so yeah, $2,600 for a new roller. That's everything: bearing, shafts, the whole work, seals, just pop it in, bolt it up. So yeah, Dad's gonna go see if the welding shop can build it up so he can put the seals back in and let it go. But also, they probably weren't gone when we got it, and they're honestly, I didn't even grease these bearings, because when the gate's down, they're covered. So we only used it enough to grease it once, so I'm not sure, like, in the first, was it 10 hours? 5 hours? Shush already. The first, I think it was like 5 hours is when the bearing went, so it would have been the first 8 hours. So probably couldn't see the bearing gone when we bought it, and also I guess it never got greased when it should have, because they're kind of hiding in there. Oh well, live and learn. Now we're supposed to be making silage this weekend, so hopefully the welding shop can build it up, make it work. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. We're also going to have to pull the John Deere out of retirement. Well, it's not really retired. Might have to use the John Deere again for silage. Ooh, lovely. It's not bad because it's John Deere. It's more because, it doesn't work the greatest with wet silage. The rollers build up with junk. Oh well, stay tuned. See what happens.